Hey guys, what's up? So last year OnePlus launched the Nord, which was a sub 30,000 rupee smartphone from the company after almost 2 years, and it instantly became a hit among users who were looking for a decent smartphone with a good software experience. It was definitely not for everyone as the camera wasn't anything extraordinary, but for the most part, it offered a decent smartphone experience. Now the company is trying to replicate the success of the OG Nord with the Nord 2, which they have started teasing on IG. In fact, they have even confirmed the launch date along with some of its features. The phone will be launched on 22nd of July, and this time OnePlus has chosen a tagline of fast and smooth, so they're definitely focusing on the processor and the performance aspect of the phone than anything else. The company has chosen to go with the Mediatek chipset for the Nord 2, and it is none other than their flagship Dimensity 1200, which is based on a 6nm design and uses the newer Cortex A78 compared to the Cortex A77 on the Snapdragon 870. So the performance is comparable to the Snapdragon 870, but of course the Mali G77 GPU is not as good as the Adreno 650. OnePlus claims that they have worked closely with Mediatek to enhance the AI features of the Dimensity 1200, especially in the camera and the display departments. So it can recognize up to 22 different scenes and can automatically optimize the color tones and contrast in the photos taken in low lighting conditions. There's something called AI video enhancement that can enable live HDR effects at the time of recording. Also, DOL HDR can adjust tuning and image quality during live recording. Even the display will get some AI enhancements that will boost the colors, automatically convert standard content into HDR and upscale video resolution to HD. Speaking of the display, the phone will come with a 6.43-inch Super Amoled panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and a single punch hole at the top left corner. It will also have an in-display fingerprint sensor built in. The specs have been leaked by OnLeaks along with some renders, and as you can see, the phone looks a lot like the OnePlus 9 series in terms of the camera design at the back, with two bigger cameras and a smaller one at the bottom. Talking about the cameras, so OnePlus has reduced the number of cameras on both the back and the front by one, so you only get a 32MP single selfie camera at the front with a tiny punch hole, while on the back you get a triple camera setup with a 50MP Sony IMX766 similar to the OnePlus 9 as a primary, along with an 8MP ultra wide and a 2MP macro or depth camera. So essentially you're still getting a dual camera setup similar to the Nord. OnLeaks also revealed that the Nord 2 will have a 4500 mAh battery, which is bigger than the 4115 mAh battery of the OG Nord, but the same size as the recently announced Nord CE 5G. So it is expected that it will come with the same Warp Charge 30T that can charge the battery up to 70% in 30 minutes. Also recently the press renders of the phone have leaked and they depict a similar design, so this is the final design that you will see on the 22nd of July. An employee named Mr. Zhang from OnePlus has also confirmed that the phone will indeed feature a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Coming to the software, so the company has announced that the Nord 2 will be the first phone to come with OxygenOS 11.3 based on an integrated code base between OxygenOS and ColorOS. This comes after the recent announcement of OnePlus being merged with Oppo. Also, OnePlus will be launching the Buds Pro alongside the Nord 2, but we don't have a lot of information about these new buds. OnePlus has also trademarked the OnePlus Pad moniker, so seems like after launching the smart TVs and smartwatch, they're now ready to debut a new product in the tablet category. As of now, we only know that they are working on it, but expect it to be launched before the end of the year. So that's it for this video. Do tell me what do you think about the Nord 2 in the comment section. Smash the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.